Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to take additional examples on how to write decimal numbers in expanded notation form. So quickly we're going to go into solving the questions. So starting with the first one, we have 1, 2, 3. This number is in base 10. If we may recall from our elementary class or basic class in mathematics, this number we can put unit, tens and hundreds. So this implies, to expand it, we now have 1 times, that one is under 100, so 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 3 times 1, which is unit. So this is the same thing as 1 times 100 is 10 power 2 plus 2 times 10 is something as 10 power 1 plus 3 times 1 is the same thing as 10 power 0. So here is the answer. That is how to write the number in expanded notation form. And we've earlier said that the essence of this is that this comes handy or becomes important when we want to convert from one particular number base to another number base, and we will see it in subsequent examples in our next video. Now, from this particular answer, one thing is very obvious. We have the digits 1, 2 and 3 multiplying the base, which is 10, but the only difference is that the power of the base tend to increase starting from here where we have 0, here we have 1, here we have 2. Then if we are going the other direction, we can have -1, -2, -3 and so on. That is if we have a scenario as we have in B, where we're going to be having numbers coming after the decimal point. So quickly we're going into the next question. So for B, we have 740.18 in base 10. This becomes, we have 7 times 10 plus 4 times 10 plus 0 times 10. Remember, after the 0 we have our dot somewhere there. Now we now also have plus 1 times 10 plus 8 times 10. So starting from here, we want to start putting the powers on the base. So before the decimal we have our 0, that is this particular one. So we start with this place. We have 0, we have 1, then we have 2. Then in the other direction we now have -1 and -2. So that is how to write this number in expanded notation form. Then the last one, we have 1/8. First of all, we need to write it in decimal form. So 1/8 is the same thing as 0.125. This number in base 10, for us to write it in expanded notation form, we're now going to have 0 times 10. Then remember our dot comes, plus 1 times 10 plus 2 times 10 plus 5 times 10. So this is where we have, here is where we have our dots after this 0. So we'll put 0 here. Then going the other direction now, starting with that one here, this one. So we now have -1, here we have minus 2, here we have minus 3 on the power 10. So that is also how to write this number, which is this decimal number in base 10, in expanded notation form. And that is the end of our solutions. Thank you so much for your attention. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.